Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Rapid TV. You click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, we click on Rapid TV and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.